You can get it if you really want, but you must try. Try and try, try and try.
You'll succeed at last. Undoubtedly, songs like these are a great part of our heritage. Welcome to part 2 of the JIS Heritage Tour. I'm Cedric Clark. Stay with us.
You can get it if you really want.
Yeah.
You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want, but you must try. Try and try, try and try. You succeed at last.
As we've done in years past, the JIS team used the annual Heritage School Tour to spread cultural awareness among those who hold our nation's future in their hands. For part 2 of the tour, we journeyed to Portland, St. Mary, Trelawney, St. James, Hanover, and Westmoreland.
It's good for us to be here. Thank you so much for allowing us to come to visit you.
No drink cocoa tea, mango time, turpentine, large and fine, mango time, in the eyes of the mango crop. When the fruits them are ripe and drop, wash your pot, turn them down, mango time, mango time.
The students of Orange Bay Primary School in Portland had us rocking to their electrifying, culturally rich offerings.
Education for life, that me rather. So thanks to me mother and me father. Study me a study forget the mark ya come. Me no want nobody come boss me master. The key to success I must confess. I marks in a school, release my stress when exam time. I no guess me go guess cause me want have me own money express. Me skyscraper and me elevator. One limousine and me Land Cruiser. So when my friend them a play, me a study master cause education for life for that me rather.
Sister Parish St. Mary was our next stop, and they sure kept the vibes coming.
Your name, deliver your mercies. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee, oh God.
What a nice way to say welcome from the Maroons' traditional communication instrument. Yeah man, we were impressed with the students of Scotsall Primary's knowledge and use of our culture. We said little later Eastern Jamaica and Wagwan Trelawney. That's right, Falmouth Primary. Nobody guani, and nobody come a Bendong market, come feel up.
When the roll is called out, I'll be standing taller to face the darkest and the hardest of times. We'll be taking care of all the children thereof, but it's required to be on the front line. You can call me by my name, I am ready to roll.
Cedric Titus left us feeling like they could vie for top honors on any musical competition show. St. James was our next stop, and the students at the schools we visited didn't disappoint.
You see how me trial now, ma? That maga girl Wingy want put me in a cas. I'm big lion Tory. She said, come call me the other day. And when I got my child, the whole family get around me like I was cursing Nile. Them say somebody tell me story. And she tell her daughter that Lou they walk about and definiate her character. And there's somebody what tell me story. So there's somebody what know Wingy. So Wingy tell that somebody, and that somebody must be me.
After saying farewell to St. James, we made our way to a parish where the people are warm and the climate is even more inviting. The students even displayed some traditional items. We ended our school tour in Westmoreland, and the gates of Ferris Primary School were wide open to welcome the JIS team.
Won't you help me sing this song of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption song.
And during our rap session, we were left impressed with the students' knowledge of things Jamaican.
I learned that Jamaica was also called Jamaica.
Nice. All right, here you go.
I learned that Rio Mino in Carindon is the largest river in Jamaica.
On behalf of the Jamaica Information Service, we want to thank you and your staff and all the students of Ferris Primary for having us here today.
So guess what? We've finally come to the end of this year's JIS Heritage Tour. It doesn't mean that you should stop celebrating our Jamaican culture. Remember, one love, one family, one heritage.